On 17th of December, Karbi Students Association called for a press conference at KSA head office Rongtheang over land compensation scheme along four-laning national highway project at Karbi Anglong. The rightful and genuine landowners of the region, whose ever land falls under the radar of the four-laning project, was to be compensated by the government. But in reality, it is happening alternatively opposite to it. Hence, regarding this occurrence, a press conference was called at KSA head office Rongtheang to express their dissatisfactions over the controversial land compensation money. Thang Sing Timung, president of KSA, Karbi Students Association, during the press conference spoke about the unlawful and injustice prevailing with the rightful landowners of Doboka to Dimapur area, where they had been deprived from the land compensation money. He also raised his concern about the non-intervention of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council into this matter and also questioned Horen Singh Bay, members of parliament, as why he remained silent by not addressing his issue at parliament despite elected as a representative of 3 ST districts.
Lapen non labang National Highway Authority of India pen sika silam lage central pen hormu pinaka posi ilitum Karbi Anglong mate West Karbi Anglong lapen dimahasawa farman ke central along mate parliament along labang so kisung alam pali dunji pali dunde mate central amun itum kachi to dun long te MP henlo lasi alang li MP Horen Singh Bay pidikonalo alang li ilitum Karbi Anglong district along laan si krong pli alam ki prung durapit alang li pilo Horen Singh Bay ilitum central fan si ka represent bang lo central fan ka represent bang plota te piniarni parliament arlo labangso krong pli atwar kasilam scheme puthak alang li parliament anu lingi duna hema.
If Horen Singh Bay MP can place the concern of Rajdhani Express train stoppage for the convenience of the people, why is not he addressing the issue of corruption, unlawful practices in the land compensation despite surfacing so many controversies into the limelight? Is it because Horen Singh Bay MP is also indulged into these practices and scam? Question Thang Sing Timung.
Alang ni Satabdi train pasang nang ji puge ningje dun hai parliament alu. Satabdi train ta sang ne sang sene chinin ne lasi Satabdi train pasang nang ji po alang li parliament alu ningje dun hai protang te kopia posi non Karbi Anglong arlo labangso krong pli atwar alam ki phodut apit alang li parliament arlo je krong pli atwar kasilam Karbi Anglong arlo scandal scam thepik alang li ningje dun hedelo madi alang li labangso krong pli atwar kasilam along asap sup kachirap lok duko jone to alang li labangso krong pli alam ki alang li parliament arlo ta ningje dun hedelo.
If the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council fails to resolve this issue and compensate the rightful owner, Karbi Students Association would launch a strength agitation and would move to the higher level if necessary. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, must pay heed and intervene into these sensitive issues prevailing in all the section of four-laning project across Karbi Anglong district. Severe punishment should be given to any official SKs, AROs, Mandals, MAC, EMs if found involved into this scam. The Students Association is also currently engaged in independent investigation. If any names turn up during the course of investigation, their name would be exposed and Karbi Students Association would not be held responsible for it.
Council punon mati ilitum IMP sar punon lampe cepak lang pen kunasi ke chok che naima hala ke chok che tuman ta bengnang ji komania mondol ero EM chinilo ke chok che tuman bengnang ji la penon Karbi lo chale song hin betamela bangso po tarli bomlo mo ke tarli ba hut komani men klang ham protang te niri tuman adai pinang ne nangli tuman aron teng sing sai ji.
News report for Karbi Anglong Live.